Hi guys, welcome back to Mina's Kitchen. I'm sorry I was away for a long time, so I come back. I want to cook today some Chinese spring roll, so I'm gonna tell you what we need for that. Step by step I will show you what to do. First we're gonna start with the ingredient: rice paper, rice noodles, some veggies like coriander, carrot, cabbage, spring onion, and ground chicken, ground beef, or ground turkey, anything you like. First I'm gonna cut all my vegetable and put it on a side. Now I'm going to show you how to fry my ground chicken, and then after that we will add all the ingredients. I have to put a little bit oil here. I put the stove in high setting, and now I have to put a little bit oil here, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger, and then I'm going to add the ground chicken here. This is 1 tablespoon of salt, or how much you need it. Okay. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chilli flakes.
Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon. Now I'm going to prepare my rice noodle. This is my rice noodle. I'm going to put some hot water on this and leave it 5 minutes to get softer. Now my rice noodle is done. I have to cut it in small pieces with a scissors. Now I'm gonna drain the water. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients together and mix it. First I'm gonna put my ground chicken that I cooked it. The rice paper that I'm gonna use, and this is boiling water, but it's not fully boiled. I leave it like 5 minutes after I use it, because if you put too much hot water it will make a hole on this. And now I'm gonna start. This is my rice paper. Gonna do it here like for 5 seconds.
Bring it out.
Okay, I have my rice paper here. I'm gonna spread it out like this, and then I'm gonna put the filling on the bottom here and fold it from that side and fold them from the other side and fold it from the bottom and roll it very tightly. If you roll it loose, it will be open when you fry it or when you put it in a stove. Like this. You can cook in two ways the spring roll. One way you can bake it, and the second way you can fry it. There I have a tray, and I put my parchment paper here, and I'm gonna put some oil in this. Brush some oil. That's it. And I put the spring roll here. And I'm going to also brush it on the top. That it will be healthy and not too much oily. Now I put my stove in 350 degrees. I'm going to put this in the stove for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, now I have to fry this and show you how to fry. I put the pot here in high setting. Now I'm gonna add the oil. You need a little bit more oil for that. I think this is enough. The oil now is hot. I'm gonna put it slowly, the spring roll. When you put the spring roll in a hot oil, make sure they not touch each other, because if it touch, they will stick together and then you have problem. It's very quick frying because everything is cooked, like it's all veggie, the ground chicken is already cooked. We just want to fry it to make some crunch. Let's make it. I'm gonna make a dipping sauce for spring roll. We are going to need yogurt, salt, black pepper, mint, red pepper, some lemon juice and garlic powder. I'm going to show you how to make. I put the yogurt here. On the top, I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt, not much, or as much you like. That's it. And I need black pepper. I need red pepper. Some mint, very fresh and smells so good. And some garlic powder. One teaspoon garlic powder. and 2 tablespoons of juice of a lemon. I'm gonna take it off this seed. Now we're gonna mix it and leave it on the side. For the sauce, you can add anything, or you can make it less anything. This is how I made my spring roll. This is the one I cook it in the oven for 25 minutes in a high degrees, and this is I fried in oil, and this is the sauce. This is hot. When it's getting a little bit cold, you can transfer it to the plate. I hope you guys like it, my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. If you have any question, any comment down below. Thank you, and we will see you till next video. Oil. Make sure that these are that does not. Make sure that make sure that